Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to click on that red button and like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, let's jump right into this video. So you guys, I'm gonna start out using my gel, and I'm gonna gel my hair. I'm going back to old school with the Pro Style gel. So I'm just gonna gel my hair up. My hair shrinks a lot because it's kind of still damp from me washing it. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. It's very simple, this style. I always try to bring you guys simple and easy hairstyles, so I'm not gonna just talk too much. It's basically self-explanatory, so yeah. But now y'all, I'm about to play with these edges. These edges can go either way. So y'all, like I said, this is like a quick and easy style for me, just to go to work for a couple days. I didn't feel like doing my hair, y'all, because I really was still under the weather. I've been sick, you guys, so but that's another story. So, and that's why I wanted to share this hairstyle with you. And it's very affordable. Girl, go get you some braided hair, only $3. So yeah, basically now, y'all, I'm just playing with these edges. I really got frustrated with these edges, but it is what it is. Maybe because I didn't have the stuff I normally use to do my edges with, but it is what it is. Okay, let's do it. So now guys, I'm about to take, look how I was looking at the braided hair. But anyway, yeah, so now I'm about to take the braided hair. I did decide to do a little color. I believe that's 1B mixed with 30 at the end. So yeah, now I'm about to take my little scrunchie and do the little knot thing, you guys, to secure the ponytail. Okay, so now I'm taking the piece out that I will be wrapping around. You want to take it out, make it a little bit kind of thick, because you want that to look very smooth. So yeah, I'm taking my little lighting thing and just hanging it on there for me to braid it, or you can have somebody hold it or put it on your doorknob. And I'm just gonna braid the hair down. Do it. So you guys, now I'm about to take off my scarf, my edges. I'm still gonna play with these edges a little bit more, but it is what it is. So now, y'all, I'm just wrapping the ponytail around my head like you would do just a regular scrunchie, like how you put on the scrunchie. Just put it on the ponytail on like that. So yeah, I just had wrapped my real hair around the ponytail, you guys, and now I'm going to wrap the hair that I left out, and I'm gonna wrap it tightly and neatly as possible. You want to make sure the hair is very smooth and straightened out. And now you guys see I'm coming a little bit closer. Don't mind my edges because my hair is so funny, y'all. And another alternative, you could use I normally use beeswax because my hair curls up when I use a gel, so that's another thing I use. But gel do last a little bit longer for me once I do get it right. So yeah, back to what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm just wrapping that tightly around. You may need a bobby pin, you may don't. I use a little bit of spritz to wrap it a little bit on there. And now, yeah, I am taking one little bobby pin. And you guys, that's basically it. I'm going to play with these edges a little bit more and get it right. And yeah, and that's your simple, easy hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to thumbs up, you guys. I'm going to bring you more videos like this if you enjoy these type of videos. I know I've been doing a lot of hair videos lately. And yeah, and thumbs up this video if you like more like this. And I guess I will see you guys in the next one, and let this video continue. Come through when it's wrong. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I
Yamina did it perfect. Work hard and determined. It's
Todd, can you play that again?
yeah. None of you guys get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. Yeah. None of you guys get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. Get flash me. Get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. Matter of fact, get flash me. Get flash me. Get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. Matter of fact, get flash me. Yeah. None of you guys get flash.
Do it.